Dudes, today I'm doing today's video of Wii phones. Today's freebie is a boring crossbow. I already used this and it's a really boring crossbow. The most boring blaster I ever seen in the Wii phone app is this crossbow. So this video is just going to be 1 minute because I tell you, this is just for zombies, this blaster, and it really sucks. If you don't hit a zombie in real life, if they do exist, if you don't hit a zombie with this crossbow on the head, and you hit it, you try to hit it on the guts, it's not going to die. So you better hit the zombie on the head. So let's try it. Oh my god, it's the worst blaster I ever seen. I already know how to use it. It's not even fun to do. Wait, I forgot something. Yeah, this. See? It's the most boring blaster I ever seen. Look, it's not even fun to make. Look, you do this, or this. Look at that. I like the design, but look, it's so boring. I like the design, I like that zombie thing, but I don't like it. This thing sucks, dudes. It sucks. I'm not even gonna show it to you anymore because it sucks. But what is this? Bro, this sucks. I'm out. Well, I know I already showed you these guns, but uh I'm gonna show you the handgun because this was a pretty short video because that blaster sucks. So let me just show you this handgun again. Now this is more fun to do. See, you click this button, you do this, and this is faster and fun. It's more fun. So you can use this on people and zombies. So it's super good, and I like the sound of it and the see look. I know you would like the sound of this gun because the crossbow, it doesn't do much of a sound. That blaster just sucks. So look, I even want to do it again because it's so fun. And you can download this app on the Play Store. I don't really know if it's on the App Store. So let's try this again. See, if you like the sound of this gun, click like, and in the comments below, tell me which blaster you liked best, this handgun or the blaster. So that was it. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe now to watch more awesome guns. And tomorrow there's gonna be a new freebie, so you don't want to miss that. It might be a boring blaster like the other one, like the crossbow, or it might be something awesome like a bazooka. But I already showed you the bazooka. So subscribe now and see you later. Bye, dudes.